Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how spiritual insights can actually change your Tuesday morning commute or that difficult conversation with your boss? This isn't just about cosmic journeys, it's about making those profound, ethereal experiences work for you, right here, right now. We're going to deep dive into how to bridge the gap between the ethereal and the everyday. The first step is to clarify what we're talking about. The terms astral projection, out-of-body experience, and lucid dreaming are often used interchangeably, but they are fundamentally different. An out-of-body experience, or OBE, is often spontaneous, where your consciousness hovers near the physical body and is sometimes linked to psychological or neurological events. Lucid dreaming, on the other hand, is a state of awareness within the subconscious mind's own dreamscape, where you can control the environment. Astral projection, however, is a deliberate effort to separate your consciousness from your physical form and travel to a spiritual plane believed to exist outside your mind. While the idea of a consciousness leaving the body lacks scientific validation, a powerful framework emerges when we view the astral plane as a symbolic landscape of the subconscious mind. It's the vast, submerged part of the iceberg, a repository of wisdom you don't always have access to in your conscious waking state. So how do we make these profound journeys practical? The key is to follow a systematic cycle of integration. 1. Preparation. Before your journey, you must set a clear, positive intention. What do you want to learn? What problem are you trying to solve? 2. Journey. Once in the mind-awake, body-asleep state, explore with curiosity and a calm mindset. 3. Return and grounding. When the journey ends, take time to ground yourself. Drink water, eat a meal, and give yourself space to fully return to your physical body. This prevents a feeling of psychological detachment. 4. Integration and application. This is the most crucial step. Immediately after returning, journal your experience. Ask yourself, what did I learn? What surprised me? How does this change my perspective? This is where you transform the ephemeral into tangible, actionable wisdom. Let's look at a few examples. That difficult conversation with your boss? Your journey might provide a new perspective or access a state of calm that allows you to see the problem from a fresh angle. You're not getting a magical solution. You're leveraging an expanded state of consciousness to navigate the challenge with greater grace. For emotional healing, consider the astral divorce. When rational efforts fail to provide closure after a breakup, a guided ritual can energetically cut the cords with a former partner. The author who underwent this practice found that even though her feelings hadn't changed, her feelings about the situation had, and she was finally able to move on. The report mentions an AI company called Astral Insights AI. Just as their solutions help businesses proactively predict, identify, and resolve disruptions in their supply chain, your personal insights can help you anticipate and navigate disruptions in your own life and career. By strengthening your intuition, a silent force built on subconscious pattern recognition, you can make better decisions that may not always feel logical. For those ready to begin, there are a variety of techniques to explore. For beginners, you might try the wake back to bed method, which takes advantage of your body's natural sleep cycle. Or, for intermediate practitioners, there's the rope technique, where you visualize yourself pulling your astral body out of your physical one. You can even use sound-assisted projection with binaural beats to help guide your brainwaves into a receptive state. Of course, it's natural to have fears, like getting stuck outside your body or encountering negative energies, but practitioners widely agree that these fears are unfounded. The silver cord is a psychic link that ensures a safe return at any time. The key is to approach the experience not with fear, but with curiosity and a clear, positive intention. In the end, the true purpose of this practice isn't to escape our human reality, but to cultivate what we call spiritual agility. It's the ability to fluidly move between the spiritual and the mundane. The wisdom gained from a journey is not found in the places you visited, but in the tangible changes you can make in your own life. It's about cultivating the inner resources to face the challenges of the outer world with renewed clarity, resilience, and purpose.